Okay, YouTube, this is AR Biker 501. I'm out on the bike path tonight, middle of the night, and going to give you some quick beam shots and do some cycling, see what you think about my bike light. This is the Ultrafire C3 XPG R5 modded. Maybe it gives you a little bit of idea. It's hard to see actually how far that is. Not sure how much that shows up on the camera, but really, in a pinch, this 14500, the way it gives you so much flood and spill, it's pretty adequate, really, as a bike light in this application, slow speeds, bike path, and all that. Now we'll switch over to a little bit brighter light, the XPG R5 on the 18. You can see that this makes it look like a pretty small hot spot, but it's pretty good size actually. It's plain to ride with, and you can see all the flood in the beam. I guess the word spills I'm looking for. But as you can see, we're coming in and out of light. I don't know how well this shows up as far as how well this works out. We're out here riding just out on the bike path. It's the middle of the night, but this bike path, as you can see, is kind of like typical riding in town, in light, out light, which I think affects your vision worse than just pure darkness. You can barely see the XPG in the light, but out here in the dark, it completely shows up. That's one light. I usually run two. One thing to point out is that one is modded to a 1.4 amp driver, so it's getting a little bit more light than your standard XPG R5 P60 drop-in. But anyhow, getting out of breath. Just going to give you a little bit of ride here, see if y'all can pick this up. Hear the water? Idea. Not sure how bright that is. On the bike it's plenty bright. On the video camera it doesn't show up that much. It does the hot spot, but the flooding and spill area, I guess is what it's called, really doesn't show up that well. But between me and that spot, it's easy to see anything. As well as left or right, most things that would be a hazard or danger, you know, as far as picking up sticks, I'm going to swerve, dogs, whatever. Just little hazards that you need to see like that. Whatever that was, we don't want to hit.